Investor enthusiasm for stocks remained strong last week, buoyed by declining bond yields in a holiday-abbreviated trading week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average picked up 1.27%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 gained 1%. The Nasdaq Composite Index rose 0.89% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, was essentially flat at positive 0.03%.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
The stock market continued to look toward the bond market for direction, responding positively to bond yields that fell steadily for much of the week. A successful 20-year Treasury notes auction on Monday triggered a decline in bond yields. The release of the minutes from the Fed's last meeting buoyed investor optimism that the potential for further rate hikes was diminishing. Investor sentiment was also lifted by the earnings results from a leading mega-cap AI-enabled chip maker that topped analysts' expectations, bolstering the narrative of AI's potential to help corporate profits. Despite a higher turn in bond yields on the final half day of trading, stocks retained the week's gains. Minutes from the October 31st to November 1st meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee were released last week, providing insight into its decision not to raise rates and its thinking on the future direction of interest rates. The minutes reflected concerns by committee members that inflation remained stubborn and may move higher. The minutes also reaffirmed the messaging of many Fed officials, including Fed Chair Powell, that monetary policy must remain restrictive until they are convinced inflation will be on track for the Fed's 2% target. They further said that future rate decisions will be based on fresh economic data, offering no indication that a rate cut was forthcoming, as many analysts are increasingly anticipating for 2024. As always, we will continue to keep our finger on the pulse of what's really going on in the markets. This week's key economic news that we are watching includes a new home sales report today, Monday. Tomorrow, we have a report on consumer confidence. Wednesday, we have that GDP or gross domestic product report. On Thursday, we get a look at personal income and outlays as well as jobless claims. And then Friday, we have a report from the Institute for Supply Management's Manufacturing Index. And remember, with Smart Mix, we primarily invest in individual stocks, cutting out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. We do have a lighter week watching stocks this week. You can see Wednesday and Thursday, a few companies reporting their earnings. If we are not investing your life savings for you, you can learn more about our personalized approach at www.smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for staying until the end. I do have another riddle for you. Again, if you are the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comment section, we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. And congratulations to Howie in Eden Prairie. Howie, you correctly answered last week's riddle. Thank you so much for participating. We will get that coffee card out in the mail to you ASAP. All right, so today's riddle is: what do the letter T and an island have in common? Again, be the first person to post the correct answer down below this video in the comments section, and we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you would like the answers to previous week's riddles, head on over to our website /riddles, and you can see the growing library of riddles and answers there. And then lastly, later on today, we will be sending out our full economic update for the week. This update includes more than what I talked about here this morning, including our popular weekly tax tip. If you'd like this email and you're not getting it, you can subscribe also at our website, www.investwithccg.com.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.